Hey guys, Robin Nexon Writer here. I'm going to do a short little video and just kind of talk about the Autoconnect feature on the Chigee AIO-6 for action camera control. So I have the Ace Pro here, and what I want to show you guys is demonstrate how the Autoconnect works. So I have the Chigee on. I'm going to power up the Ace Pro. And it's not going to auto-connect in this circumstance with Chigee powered first and then the camera. So you come in here and it's not going to see anything. So in that case, what you want to do is go into the settings, features, go down to action camera control, and just hit this connect link. Once you do that, then you're connected, a few button presses, and now you have control of the camera. So we can start and stop the camera. So now what I'll demonstrate is the sequence when we have the camera on first and power the Chigee. So we'll bring the Chigee up. And I'm not sure how quickly it makes the connection. Usually I'll let this connection happen and exit, and then you can see the camera connection. So here we had auto connect. So now it's ready to go and we can start controlling the camera, and we don't have to go in and make that connection in the settings page. So just a little FYI on how the action camera control feature works today as far as Autoconnect. Now, Chigee's going to be doing some development here. We have the chapter marking button that's got some issues. The settings button doesn't do anything. They're going to be working on that. So we can expect this feature to grow as Chigee develops it, and we'll get more functionality via firmware updates. But we do have camera control today, which is pretty nice. And there you go, Autoconnect on the Chigee AIO-6 for action camera control.